Hello and welcome to Writing 101. It's an online writing course. I'm your instructor, Ben Barkholtz, and I like to give students a small video on how to navigate the course. If it's your first time in Eagle Online, there are some non-intuitive parts. So the screen that you're seeing now is the screen that you see when you sign on to Eagle Online for the first time. And you'll notice that there's nothing here that actually says where your class is. Of course, you can watch the student orientation video, but students rarely do that. I'm just glad maybe you're watching mine now. To find your course, this little tile bar here brings up a selection of your courses. So you're going to click on Writing 101 Spring 2019. And this will bring you into the classroom on my announcements page where you will find typically announcements. There'll be another welcome message, etc. Even here, students will sometimes get caught. They'll say, well, I didn't see anything that was due. And of course, right, that's not exactly true. So with a little bit of navigating, these are your navigation bars. And for the most part, you're going to hang out in content. Content is where I structure the course, and I structure every week. So you will see that the actual learning blocks will begin right on the day of the week that it begins. There's really no getting ahead, and there shouldn't be any getting behind. I don't close them down for students who get behind because it's good to see what we've done. But I do have a late work policy where you can only be up to 1 week late, and there's a flat rate penalty of 15%. That's in the syllabus. It's a different video. So learning block 1. And you will see my first learning block. And what you'll begin to do is to check off these navigation items by reviewing this video, looking at this video, looking at that video, reviewing the syllabus. I need to update it still. There's a syllabus quiz. It's true and false. It's really easy. But you'll notice that there's a lot of information here. The only real trick to then navigating my content is once you click on a discussion board, the green check mark over here will get checked off like you've done it. But they're actually a two-part activity. It's the only part of the class that's really ever due on a Thursday. The week begins on a Tuesday. You're going to come in Tuesday, look at the material, start to prepare. By Thursday, you're going to click on all discussion boards and write the prompt response, which is due Thursday at 11:59 p.m. The prompt response is whatever I ask you to write about. So in this one, I ask you to answer these questions. That's the prompt. Prompt response Thursday. You'll come back to these at the end of the week. Everything else is due at the end of the week, which is Monday night. I do that for a reason because I'm actually in my office on Monday. I have office hours typically on Monday. This semester could change, but it gives me more access to you on a Monday versus a Sunday when I might be out adventuring. I look like an adventurous type. So I'm at work on Mondays. You can reach me on Mondays. You can get answers on Mondays. So you're working through it on a Monday, which means you're going to have problems associated with the content on Monday. So that's when I make Mondays due. That means that your writing is due. Like if you have an assignment, that'll be due on a Monday. And then peer responses to the discussion board. So once everybody puts in their discussion board, prompt response, now it's populated with a bunch of raw content that you've generated. And now for the discussion part, you're going to go and view other people's responses and reply to them in no fewer than 100 words for the peer responses. You need to do 2 typically, and it will say respond to 2 peers by Monday, respond to 2 peers by Monday. There are very few of them that say that there's no peer responses due. Typically, if it didn't require a peer response, I just make it an assignment because you're just writing for me. So this is how you navigate the course. For the second week, you'll click on Learning Block Week 2, and then, the one that begins on the 5th, so et cetera, et cetera. I hope this helps to navigate the course, and I look forward to hearing from you.